In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to WhatsApp in an easy and simple setup. This integration allows you to seamlessly redirect respondents from a Typeform survey directly to a WhatsApp chat, creating a smoother interaction experience, whether you're in customer service, marketing, or any other area where you need to follow up with your respondents quickly. This is a game changer. Let's get started by first navigating in your Typeform dashboard. You want to go to the settings section of your form, particularly at the point where you configure what happens after someone completes the form. Find the endings section and click on redirect to URL. This feature is what allows us to automatically send your respondents to a different web page or platform upon completion of the form. Now here's the magic link. You'll need to paste a WhatsApp click to chat link into the URL field. This link is a special URL format that opens a WhatsApp chat pre-filled with a custom message. The basic structure of this link will be displayed on your screen during this tutorial. And remember to edit it carefully. There's an important part of this link where a placeholder number is highlighted. You'll need to replace this with your own phone number, written in the full international format. Make sure to exclude any plus signs or spaces to avoid any issues with the link. Next comes personalization. The custom message is a crucial part, especially if you want to make it user-friendly and engaging. You can customize the message within the link. Look for the section that starts with text. This is where you can write your desired message, but note that it must be URL encoded. URL encoding is a way of ensuring that your characters are correctly interpreted by the browser, so spaces and special characters are replaced by specific codes. For an extra layer of personalization, you have the option to insert responses directly into your message. To do this while you're still in the URL field, type the @ symbol, which will trigger a list of response fields from your Typeform. Selecting from these fields allows the inclusion of a dynamic response, tailoring each message even further to individual respondents. Once you've configured your URL link to your satisfaction, it's time to give it a test run. Head over to the Publish section of your Typeform and try out the form to ensure everything works smoothly. After a respondent submits their form, WhatsApp should automatically open with all the information you configured pre-filled in the chat, ready for immediate interaction. And that's it. By following these steps, you've set up a functional link connecting Typeform to WhatsApp, enhancing the efficiency and engagement of your respondent interactions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this integration as useful as I do in streamlining your communications.